Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you to my Ielts video. Well guys, the theme of this video is if not now, then when? And if not you, then who? Listen, all of us, we want to make progress. And we look for the right time and the right opportunity to make progress in our life. And I think for all of you, this is the right time and the right opportunity to make progress. And what is going to be the reason for your progress? It's Ielts. Ielts is going to help you achieve international opportunities. So my point is, if this is the time, you got to do it now. I mean, right now, many of you are preparing for Ielts. Some of you want to appear in Ielts exam after a couple of weeks, a couple of months, 6 months after. Some are just looking around and they are looking whether they should do it or not and all that. So this is the right time of your life as far as Ielts is concerned. If this is the right time of your life to do Ielts, then do you think you are doing enough to achieve your desired band in Ielts? I want you to ask this question. Ask yourselves, are you doing enough to achieve your desired band score in Ielts? If the answer is yes, be confident, be happy. If the answer is no, then most definitely you have to change a lot of things about you, your daily routine and all that. For the time being, I ask you all, I request you all to say no to every other thing in your life. Entertainment, no. Girlfriend, boyfriend, relationship and all that, no. Watching movies, no. Listening to music, no. Going outside with friends, no. Relatives, family activities and all that. Right now, you need to say no. When you say no, all the distractions, you will be able to say yes to Ielts. If Ielts is going to be your focal point, the point of concentration, the only thing in your life, and if you're giving proper time and energy to Ielts, believe you me, it's going to come back to you. For Ielts, it's all echo. We call it echo principle. What is echo principle? Whenever you put some efforts into the universe, they echo all around and then they come back tenfold or they multiply and all that. Okay, the famous book Multiplier is there as well. So anyways, this is the time when you need to input all your efforts. Because without input, there is no output. So you need to input all your efforts in the right direction. This is the right time. Opportunity is knocking at your door. Okay, and now is the time, and you are the person who's been selected for all these things. If you don't do it now, you're going to be sorry after some time. Time changes. Time doesn't remain same. Opportunity, it is knocking at the door now. In future, it will never knock at the door. This opportunity of going to a foreign country, if this opportunity is lost now, it will be lost forever. I'm telling you now. Believe you me, I'm telling you now, if this opportunity is lost now, it is going to be lost forever. And then at the end, you will look at the aeroplane one day and you would think, yes, I also wanted to go to a foreign country. And if you see Air Canada, Air Australia and other airliners, okay, like British Airways and all that, then maybe, you'll start crying. You look at the aeroplane and say, this aeroplane is going to UK. Once upon a time, UK was my dream country. I wanted to go there, but because of some problems, and you are the number one problem if you are not going to go to a foreign country. You will be the top problem. You will be on top of that problem if you don't go to a foreign country. I'm telling you. And that time, this opportunity would be lost. People who are paying money to for all these things, they will be lost, okay? Even you will have nothing left, I'm telling you. After this, there is only darkness. Now you can see the light. Your parents, they are holding light for you. Some of your sponsors, they are holding light for you. Your uncle, aunt, and brother, sister, they are holding light for you. And if you're not going to take advantage of this bright light today, and these lights are going to be switched off one after other, then there will be darkness in your life and you will never know where to go. In the darkness, even if we walk, we don't know where we go. And at times, we bump into the trees and bump into the walls and we never reach anywhere. So please, the situation without Ielts, future without Ielts is terrible, more like horrible. So that is why, please, you give your 110% to Ielts. If before watching this video, you are not giving proper time, you are just playing around, fooling around with Ielts. Now, after watching this video, make a promise. Do it like this. Do it like this. And then say, Ielts, I'll not spare you. Ielts, just I'll not spare you. Okay? And then take massive action. Start unique, massive action plan towards Ielts. And then you are going to see how Ielts is going to become easier and easier and easier, and your desired band is going to be possible. And after that, you will be the one with all your sophisticated dresses and documents and clothes and suitcases. One day, you'll be holding a passport. Inside the passport, there will be ticket, right? And you'll be wearing glasses and nice shoes and all that, walking towards the aeroplane. And then you will just ask them, I need window seat, I don't need aisle seat. And when that time, you'll be looking outside the window, you'll be flying above the clouds in the sky. When from there you will look down, then you will realize that yes, truly, you have become successful. Truly, you have achieved success. And the view from that height, the view from aeroplane is going to be spectacular. And that view will give you the feeling of your success. And that is the time and place when your actual journey is going to start. Life is going to change after that. And then you will never look back. You will never come back. You will achieve more and more and more in your life. All the best, guys. That's all. I'm trying my level best. And I'll do it. I'll continue doing it because you guys are my responsibility and I've got to teach you well. I got to motivate you well. But by the way, I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm just an Ielts trainer and I didn't try to motivate you. I just showed you some horrible pictures and in the light of those pictures, you need to decide whatever you want to do. Now, many of you, 80% of you will like this video, comment this video, but after that, you will forget about it. You will forget everything about this video. Only 20% of you will remember this video in the next 48 hours. And out of those 20%, only 10% will take action. Now, I don't know whether you are the part of 90% or you are the part of 10%. And by the way, if you are watching this video until this point, please comment because this thing shows your commitment, your seriousness towards your goal. So chances are that you guys have reached until this point. So you are the part of those 10% and that 10% is going to be in their destination countries and then they are going to send me their selfies from there. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.